Hey everyone, this is Auntie Claire, and tonight I'm doing a trade offer for anyone. The reason I decided to do this video is because I've had way too many requests for trades, and I thought it would just be easier to show you what I can offer and what I'm looking for. At this point, I'm mainly looking for Hello Kitty squishies, Sanrio squishies, and breadou. Many of them are rare, so I will put a list in the description area saying what I'm looking for. Please don't offer unless it is some of the squishies that I'm looking for. And most of the squishies I will offer are from my personal collection, so I will not accept money offers. I would only trade them to get some of the rarer ones that I've been really looking for. My voice is really bad because I'm finishing a pharyngitis, a throat infection. So I won't be doing much talking during this video because of that. But all my squishies are new with their tags unless I specify otherwise. Alright, so let's get started. First I have Hello Kitty cake rolls. Hello Kitty big donuts. Hello Kitty in costume. Hello Kitty bunny plush head. Cafe de N squishies. Pom Pom Purine squishy. Hello Kitty rice crackers. I have all 4 colors. mymelody buns. Really my cupcake. I have more Cafe Dan squishies. I have these donuts. I have these rare small Hello Kitty donuts with sprinkles. Hello Kitty marshmallows. This one is red, but I also have hot pink, light pink, and chocolate. Hello Kitty times Iris head. Hello Kitty cookie. Sorry about that. I could offer this mooncake. And finally, I could possibly offer this squishy poop. It does have some defects though, and I'm not sure I want to trade it, so I think that's everything. So Please look again at the description area for the squishies I'm looking for. Please only offer for squishies that I am looking for. And please remember that a lot of these are from my personal collection, so really make sure to offer well. But I am willing to offer any of these to get some of the squishies that I've been looking for and I haven't been able to find. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.